So how many times have you guys heard the excuse? And yes, I did say excuse. It's so much more difficult, or it's impossible to be able to day trade or to be able to invest in the stock market if you have less than $25,000. First of all, especially if you're swing trading or if you're investing, it's definitely not impossible. And like we've said so many times before, it's the difficult things in life and the challenging things in life that follow with the most fulfillment. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And at the end of the day, you should pursue the stock market first because it's something that you see value in, and second because it's the challenging part in your life or challenging aspect in your life that actually brings fulfillment. I don't know if you guys can agree with me. If you guys do, don't forget to smash that like button. But that's one of the things that I personally enjoy most about the stock market. It's not that I'm having absolute just amazing days every single day, but it's that, the stock market is difficult. It's not a 9 to 5 job, right? Just because you invest a certain amount of hours every day doesn't earn you a direct output of pay. Today was definitely one of my better days. All positions closed, a total of 85 orders. I am not under the PDT rule, as you guys could have guessed. I made $4,200, and I personally day trade TQs and SQs. And what I want to talk about in this video is just because I do something or just because someone does something that does well does not mean that you should copy exactly what it is that they do, right? One of the things that we've tried to preach within our Learn Plan Profit group and a lot of my YouTube videos, I have over 2,000 videos on YouTube, and the thing that I always try to empower you to do is not to copy other people, not to find or look for the easy way out, but to actually challenge yourself to learn how to do this yourself, to become self-sufficient. Let's be honest. You don't start a business or start investing or start trading to be told what to do. So why are you implementing those unfortunate best practices when you're getting started? Because it might be easier? Well, yes, but again, you're here to learn, not necessarily to profit right when you're getting started. And although that might be difficult to hear, I'm here to answer that question. When people say, Ricky, it's so difficult to grow my account when I'm only investing with $1,000. How am I supposed to make 2 to 3% a week, right? Which is whatever your goal is, 2 to 3% a month, 2 to 3% a week. People can, make much more depending on the high risk, high reward type of approach that you put yourself with. But what I'm here to talk about is why it's so important to wait for an actual opportunity. And more now than ever before, this is a perfect example. I don't even want to talk about TQs, right? I do want to talk about it very quickly. I'm not here to ever encourage anyone to swing trade, which means to hold for more than one day, to hold something overnight, especially like an ETF like TQs. TQs is a triple leverage ETF. It does decay over time, but altogether, because of the past 180 days and its performance, it's been performing exceptionally well, right? I mean, it offers a huge recovery if the market recovers. As of right now, because we're entering the election period, things might get a little choppy, so be aware of that, right? But as of right now, we are presented with a pretty decent reversal opportunity. So if you have $1,000, I want to list just 3 stocks that offer nearly or over a 10% return. This is for my people, right? This is TQs. TQs, from where we're at right now to based off of previous highs, offers nearly a 30% return. Let's say you just capture 5% of that. Do you find that to be impossible? Just, again, forget TQs. TQs is something that I personally trade and see value in. You shouldn't, right? What about Tesla? Where are all my Tesla to the moon people, right? Why do you guys not have the same energy that you had 2 weeks ago? Why? Because Tesla pulled back a little bit? Does it really surprise you that after 20 consecutive days of green days, that once we actually pull back, that's a surprise to you? In every single video leading up to this actual pullback, I tried to remind everyone, no one knows when the market's going to pull back, right? No one has a crystal ball, or at least I don't. All you can then begin to kind of figure out is when things begin to look too good to be true, don't be afraid to walk away with some money in your pocket. One of the sayings that we have within our Learn Plan Profit group is, I make money in the stock market by selling early. And yes, sometimes I leave some money on the table because I sell too early? Of course, I did it today. But guess what? I also made $4,200 today, so it's not too shabby, right? Tesla, based off of current price points and based off of previous highs, offers nearly a 40% return. Do you think that even you can capture 5% of that? Just an example, right? You have $1,000, you have $2,000, you have $10,000, you're under the PDT rule, right? It's not that you put it all in one stock and you hope it goes, right? It's the idea of, taking a position, averaging up when it makes sense, when the direction's in your favor, and when things are going according to plan. If things go south, then guess what? Your position is only a portion of what you would have originally invested in, so therefore it could be much easier for you to tolerate your risk and manage that risk and cut losses quickly. Another one, a much more just relaxed approach, right? Apple, as we're entering the season of where Apple, releases a new phone. 16% return. Now a much safer, investment. Amazon, trillion-dollar company, right? Based off of where we're at right now and based off of previous price points, an 8% return. Amazon doesn't necessarily hit that 10% return, but Amazon's a freaking machine. I almost said a bad word right now. But you guys get the point, right? When it comes down to swing trading, when it comes down to just getting started in the stock market, you are correct. It is a little bit more difficult to trade when you're under the PDT rule. Of course, you're restricted, but guess what? You have 3 opportunities. Don't look at them as like, I only have 3 day trades. You have 3 opportunities to make the most within a 5-day period. So that should only encourage you to be more selective, to not copy other people, and to wait for actual opportunities that are worth trading so you can set yourself up and, again, be able to learn how to continuously grow your account. And that's really just it. I wanted to provide you guys with a very simple breakdown. There's so many tech-focused stocks right now that are really good deals. Of course, only if the market actually begins to recover. So while everyone is freaking out, not even the stocks that I talked about today, but begin to build a watch list of stocks that are good deals that would make sense for you to buy the dip on. And as they begin to indicate signs of an uptrend, you can average up as, again, it begins to indicate more signs of that overall uptrend and direction in your favor. And again, with that small little saying of don't be afraid to lock in profits and keep some money in your pocket. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please consider dropping a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment on any future videos that you would like to see and what you would like me to cover. Also, you heard me talk about them in this video. It's the Learn Plan Profit Group. And if you've ever wanted to watch me trade live in the stock market, this is literally the only group that I work with on a closer basis. I don't offer anything else. If you want to watch me trade live every single day, if you want access to my beginner friendly course, click the second link, learn a little bit more about what's included in our Learn Plan Profit Group, what it has to offer. And if you want to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, then scroll down, click on this video, and again, get one step closer to joining our Learn Plan Profit team. I really do appreciate you guys' time. We'll see you guys on the next one. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.